Hello everyone, I'm here to show you these iPhone lightning cables. These are MFI certified lightning cables by Covs, and it's a 5-pack and they're nylon braided. So let me go ahead and open these up and show you a closer look. I got these on Amazon. They go for $14.98, and at the time of this recording there's a $2 off coupon. So you get 5 cables, which is a great deal. You get 2 3-foot cables and 2 6-foot cables and 1 super long 10-foot cable. Okay, so 3, 3, 6, 6, and 10. Okay, there it is. Let's just try. I like to try these out every time I get them, just to make sure they work. So let's see. Okay, that one, the first one worked great. Let me try the next one right here. Awesome, you can see the charging lightning indicator, and you can hear it as well. Let's move on. Just make sure I got a good batch. There's another one. Awesome. Another one that works. And finally the 10-footer. This would be great when you're far away from the plug, the outlet. Awesome. All 5 cables work great, as you can see, and there's no error messages. There's no error message that says the accessory is not compatible, so that's exactly what I needed. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Do check these out on Amazon.